What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for stopping in. I gotta tell you, this might just be kind of a random style vlog, whatever you want to call it. Today we got a few things going on. Figured I'd just bring you along for the ride. First things first, we're heading to Inman, South Carolina to see the fellas at Inman Muffler Shop, killing two birds with one stone with this visit. As I had mentioned in a recent video, my wife and I are organizing a car show fundraiser for an organization called Speak for Animals. Holy cow, the bright light. And we're looking for local business sponsors. So if you happen to be a business local to Greenville, South Carolina, and you'd be interested in sponsoring this event, get your name on a t-shirt, a bunch of flyers, a bunch of social media posts, mentions on the Yola YouTube channel. Just let me know. Leave a message and I'll get you some information, but I got to drop the information off to these guys. We get either a sponsorship or they may be interested in, if you're watching this, Inman Muffler, putting together a nice little raffle package. It's going to be a great event, so you want to be involved. The other bird we want to kill with this stone is got to have some flex pipe installed on the exhaust. Tried to get away with it. Everything is fine without the flex pipe, I'll be honest, but it's so hot. If you're driving at all right now and it's 95, 100 degrees outside, the compressor for the AC is just working so hard that it puts so much drag on the engine. It just causes a little bit extra vibration because the exhaust system is so tight. Look at that, we got the sponsorship information right there, and we got the old chunks of flex pipe. We're all set to go. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We got our coffee drink. The other thing we got going on is we got a pretty big car meet happening this morning. It's every Friday around Greenville. There's a car club that puts them on, or a group that puts them on, and they actually have a really good turnout. So it's the first one that I'm actually going to be able to make, so excited about that. The car meet is tonight, so between now and then I'm going to be doing something else. I'm going to be actually filming another video. I'm going to throw on some non-resonated test pipes, and we're going to see how this setup sounds. So for this vlog today, I'll go through that. Maybe we'll fire the car up and just get a quick idea of what it sounds like at idle with non-resonated test pipes, so just the straight through test pipes. So stick around, might be some things happening between all of that, but that's kind of the plan for the day. We'll see how everything plays out. So painful. Such nice work. Torn up. We need some tips. Someone weld your stuff. You should take it to somebody that knows how to weld. Looking might need one of these. That's pretty sweet. I might need one.
You can't get any better than that. Cause it all these names on 2 or 6 bucks. And then you thought, okay, but it can't get any better than that.
Alright, that's a wrap. Flex pipe is on, everything looks good. You see those welds? Man. Brian, Inman Muffler. Good job, buddy. All the guys are good there, honestly, but Brian's the one that worked on the car today. Thanks again. Love getting this thing on the highway. I can increase my mileage per gallon. Not too bad for old 3.7, huh? So I haven't gotten to drive very far yet, but so far so good with the flex pipe. I'm not noticing any vibration under the floor or in the steering wheel at stoplights, which is the issue before. However, now that there is more movement due to the flex pipe in the exhaust system, I'm hearing a little bit of a vibration in the back end, and I think it's the tips hitting the diffuser a little bit. So not too big of an issue. We'll just put some spacers in, drop it down just a little bit, and that should all be resolved. Only hearing that on highway, going highway speed, 60, 70 miles an hour, and you let off the gas, and you get that little, as the RPMs come down, there's a little bit of a vibration. No big deal. All right, let's go see what else we can get into. Saying goodbye, cutting the tips off the old setup. Polish them up. Do something with them. Polish them up a bit. Get them looking fancy. Maybe we'll do the mufflers too. Not sure what I want to do with those yet. Sell them, keep them, who knows. Kind of a pack rat. Next project. Let's put these bad boys on just to see, why not? Okay, got the first one out, and I've had a sneaking suspicion that there's a leak coming from this because I've changed the gaskets and I've adjusted, and I'm still getting some noise from that side, and it looks like maybe it might just get hot there on the flange, but I'm gonna unwrap this and see just before we put the other test pipes in. Any cracking or anything? Doesn't look like we might have had some exhaust escaping, but it could have just been a bad gasket. All those have been replaced now, but let's put those other ones in. These don't seem to be too bad a quality either. I think these are maybe just over $100. I'll put a link in the description. I do like that the O2 sensor is going to be out of the direct stream, unlike these, where it is actually right in the pipe. I'm not sure if this is going to make any difference computer-wise, but it's an easy enough job now that the bolts are pretty accessible. So if it's no good, we'll take them out, but I'm curious to see what it sounds like. All right, straight test pipes are in. Well, I don't know if there's going to be a meet tonight now. I guess we got a few hours yet, but coming down pretty good. All right, we got her set down. Let's fire this thing up. We'll just see how it sounds. All right, here we go. Not much different at startup. I'm surprised. With a little rev, I can tell a difference. You'll have to watch the next video, hear what the sucker sounds like now. I'm gonna go drive it. Bringing the girls to the mall on a Saturday night. Mistake. Right? Don't think the car meet's happening. Well, the car meet got rained out, so no big deal. It is what it is. We're back in the garage. Figured I'll end this little vlog. We'll end the day with a little project, doing some vinyl wrap, actually fixing up a portion of the chrome delete that I did in the past. First attempt with a chrome delete, but it actually turned out pretty decent. I'd done other stuff before. I tinted windows before and actually tinted the taillights with vinyl. So I had a little bit of experience of working with the stuff. So that wasn't the issue, though. The issue was that I actually ran out of material, and I had to do a seam right in the middle on this back passenger side window. And it didn't look that great at the beginning, but now that it's been super hot out lately, and I did this when it was a little cool, now that it's been super hot, it's pulled back a little bit, and it's a little more obvious in the middle. Not sure. On the top, can you see it? Yeah, just a little seam right there. Anyway, we're gonna pull it off, fix it today, and be done with that project. go. I don't want to say perfect, but it's perfect. For the bottom, I put a little run of tape underneath the trim because it makes it easier to run your razor blade along it without nicking your paint. And then you'll get a nice clean line at the bottom. So let's do it. Once you get it in place and kind of pushed up to where you want it, running a little heat across it will shrink it into all the grooves, making a line you can follow with the blade more visible. So let's try it and take a look here. There we go, all finished up. Makes me actually want to redo a couple other spots that I'm not super happy with, or some stuff that it started separating, but another day. There we go, folks, finally. Chrome Delete is completely done. All right, guys, don't forget at the beginning of the video, we put in the non-resonated test pipes. So we're gonna do a little comparison of the two. Just driving a little bit around this evening, I was able to tell a little bit of a difference in a couple of different ways. So stick around. We'll do a comparison side-by-side video coming up, probably film it today, maybe post in a couple of days or whenever I get an opportunity to sew it all together. So you don't want to miss it. Quite a bit of difference. It'll be interesting to see. All right. Thank you guys very much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Really appreciate all the support. We'll see you in the next video.